Ayu means the life, and the Veda means the science of philosophy. So Ayurveda means the science of life. We believe that Ayurveda is a philosophy, not from the human beings. So it's directly come from the heavens.
In the era of modern medicine, many Sri Lankans still turn to indigenous medicine to treat illness and injury and maintain good health.
It's not only for that back pain, not only for the knee pain, but also for the ENT diseases. Sometimes it may be a gynecological diseases, and more than that, psychiatrical problems. When we describe the fundamentals of Ayurveda, so we believe that there are 5 elements. The one is space, that it means the akasha, that space all over us, and the air, fire, water, and the land. By combination of these 5 elements, it's made the basic principles Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. This is the fundamental of Ayurveda.
Vata, which consists mostly of air and space, represents movements of the body. Pitta, which is based on fire and water, represents metabolism. Finally, Kapha, which combines earth and water, represents parts of the body.
It's not only Vata, Pitta, Kapha, but there's the mental part. There is Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva. So Sattva means the balance. If you are that balance in your mind, it's that Sattva. So when you feel angry, it's Rajas, and when you feel that lazy, it's Tamas. By doing the consultation, we can identify the level of disease, constitution of body type, and what are the causative factors for the diseases. Treatment procedures depends into 3 categories. So we have that Shodhana, Shamana, and Nidana Parivarchana. Shodhana means biopurification. So it's a deep cleansing method of your body. And Shamana means the normal oral medication that reduces the signs and symptoms of any kind of disease that you are suffering from. The other factor is Nidana Parivarjana, preventive causative factors.
Panchakarma is the term for 5 biopurification methods practiced in Ayurveda, namely Vamana, Vireka, Vasti, Nasya, and Rakta Mokshana. Each method involves herbal medication or oils leading to induced vomiting, defecation, cleansing, or bloodletting, depending on the administered treatment.
On the other hand, as I said, there are some that curative methods. They are the normal treatments, the procedures which we can be used within a short period. Snehana means oil application, and Swedana means sweating procedures. So by applying oil to a certain part of your body or the whole part of your body, we liquefy the vitiated doshas. Second treatment, I am talking about the Sweda, Avagaha Sweda. It means that hot water filled with a tub. It will be a herbal decoction, it will be a herbal oil with the hot potency, hot property that all the toxins comes out from your body. Shirodhara means, Dhara means the stream. So continuous streams pours directly in your forehead for a specific time period.
But Ayurveda is about more than just treatment. It is widely known for its ability to relieve stress, promote wellness, and improve one's quality of life through a combination of treatment, healthy daily habits, and food consumption.
In Ayurveda treatment procedures, I believe that yoga plays a very important role in the mentality and also spirituality too.
Especially doing yoga, we have the 5 causes in our body: Anname, Praname, Manome, Vijnane, Anandame. That's mean the physical body, mental body, and spiritual body, and the blessed body. So it's really, if you do the yoga, it's really give fully support your body.
In Ayurveda, the food, there should be 6 stays. If we want to tell, this is the balanced diet. And what are the 6 stays? It's sour, salt, sweet, astringent, pungent, and bitter. there should be 4 characters in in a food. It should be liquid, it should be solid, and it should be that eatable, and it should be hard. And we have lot of preparation methods.
Though a vital part of Sri Lanka's history for centuries, Ayurveda today is still in need of being preserved, promoted and regulated.
Then we can create a specific traditional, holistic traditional tourism market. The other part, currently lot of that communicable diseases and the non-communicable diseases are threatening factors for the human life. This that processing this, it will be that beneficial for the health and also beneficial for the economy too.